Hello everyone, it's Mindy and I have some things to show you from New Craft Day. This order was out there for a while and apparently they had emailed me and asked me to verify my address and whatnot, and I missed that. Anyhow, it finally came. In the meantime, I believe I ordered this from somebody else because I hadn't received it and I really liked that one, so I got this one twice. This will go into a giveaway, and maybe I'll give it away to somebody for Smashing the Specials. Why not, right? We do have some prizes for Smashing the Specials, but hey, I got this. I might just give it to somebody. Let's see what we have from New Craft Day. So I loved this one. I mean, why? That's why I ordered it twice, right? Of course. Very pretty. It's just like this snowman, and he's like in a wreath type thing. It reminds me of something you would hang on your door, and it's just really pretty. We got a bow, all the greenery. I love it. It's got 13 different drills that go with it. We got some larger ones down in here and here. You can see where the larger ones are going to be. Most of it's going to be rhinestones, but it's going to be really pretty. Let's look and see what we get. I know that you've seen this before, but just in case you didn't, let's look at it again. All right. So let's roll with the rhinestones first. We have a red rhinestone, one green, a blue, little bit of orange. This is a black, like resin drill. Another orange, another green. Oh, look, we have a whole bunch of the white, smooth topped ABs. Those are pretty. We have some AB marquee and some AB teardrops. What else do we have? Okay, come on, cooperate. That's good. Oh, here's some clear. A little bag of clear here. Hello, focus for us. A little bag of clear. And we have some clear faceted and some blue. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, so we'll see what I end up doing with that. It will go to somebody eventually. Here's the toolkit looks like. Toolkit. I always keep one just to show you. They all have a toolkit. All right, look at this guy. That's fun, right? Pretty butterfly in the center. It's got a lot of specials. Look at all of these. 12s, 13s, 14s, 11 are all special, larger ones. Those are going to be really pretty. That's lots of colors in that. There's 13 different colors and shapes. I like that. I like the size of those. These are fun to scrapbook. These are fun. Like grab a little 12 by 12 scrapbook. You can grab some paper, cut this out, put it on paper, embellish it and stuff. That's fun to do. That's one of my goals for this year, is to do more of that. I've done some, but I want to do more. All right, look at all the colors in here. That's a beautiful purple. Look at that one. And a gold, and a green, and a lighter yellowy gold, pretty pink, beautiful colors. Beautiful blue, another purple, a clear. And here's some of our large specials. Reddish orange AB teardrop. That's pink, kind of a pink, I think. It's flat topped. It's interesting. Got a pretty blue teardrop. Gold. Another gold. So this is like the metallic gold balls. And this is a gold faceted. White pearls. And then these little guys. These are fun. Not ever quite sure why they're crystal on one side. You don't see the crystal when you lay them down. It's the gold that shows on the top, and the crystal is what's the flat part. But fun. I think I saw where those go, actually. Number 15. I was thinking, yeah, like around this flower right here. All of those, and around that flower right there. There might be more, but those are the two places I saw pop right out. Fun. Pretty. Very pretty. Nice colors. All right. Okay, lay down. Lay down, Sally. All right, hey, we have a full drill here. Full drill coming, full drill. Look at this one was super cute. Super cute. This one was in, like, if you go to some of the sites, sometimes everything's listed separately. Some sites have mass groupings. Like this one was in a group of like 12 or so different paintings. And then you have to click on the one you want. And when I do links for them, I have to make sure I figure out which serial number it is, because they all have a listing number to list exactly which one I want. That's how sometimes I've made mistakes and got stuff I didn't really intend on ordering. I'm getting with the program now though, right? Getting with the program. So this one's super cute. It's just a snowman and all of his farm friends. He's got a bird, a cow, a horse, a dog, a calf, another bird in a tree over here. They're just out having their best farm life, right? Love it. Can I have one of those, please? I want a little baby calf. Yeah. This has 20 colors. I'm not going to open this and show you all the colors because, I mean, it is what it is. We got greens, reds, yellows, blues, browns, some gray. You know, those are our colors. It is what it is. Okay, if it would focus, you could see them. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. Blues, greens, a little pink, reds, some grays, rust color. I mean, what you see there, that's what you get. 20 of them, right? Want to see if it's clear? I'll bring you up and show you if it's clear. I mean, those dark colors, you might, you know, a light pad would be helpful, but they're clear. I can see them just fine without a light pad. But a light pad always tends to make my life a little, oh, look, we hit the cow. All those W's, we hit the black cow. And look at how they're wearing their hats. I love the hats. Cow has a Santa hat. He's got a stocking cap type thing. Love it. Super cute. All right. So there's that one. Okay, I think we got one more. One more. This one, I know there are a whole bunch of different birds, different colors, different everything. So all of this yellow, none of the yellow gets drills. See, it's not even attached to that. So that's like just this yellow border. I like how it looks like it's in a frame, and those are sticking out of the frame, and this is around the frame, and then the birds are in the center of the frame. I have no idea what kind of birds those are. At first, I thought they might be chickadees, but they're not. A chickadee doesn't have a head like that. I don't know. I don't know what they are. Anyhow, there are 10 different drills for that. Look at all of the 9s. That's a bigger drill. There's a lot of those. And then the 10s. Looks like there's just a couple special drills, but like I said, there were many different types of birds, different color schemes, all that stuff. I might get more in the future. Who knows? Let's see how this one goes. Let's see how this one goes. All right. Let's start at this end here, where we have the clear rhinestone, amber looking rhinestone, yellow. That's like a grayish color. A brown, light brown, a darker brown. Another brown. Those are all brown family. Black resin. And there are just 2 specials. So we have this clear iridescent marquee, and we have white pearls. So all of those are going to be everywhere. All through all of these flowers are going to be that iridescent, and up there. And then the 10s are going to be the pearls. That'll be pretty. All right. That's what I have to show you today from New Craft Day. Thank you so much, New Craft Day, for sending stuff to show. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I really like the butterfly. I really like that butterfly. Butterfly is super pretty, isn't it? Look at the colors in that thing. That'll be fun. I might try to throw that in for Smashing the Specials. We'll see. I don't even think I'd have to iron that one. Oh, it's got hair. Everything gets hair. These have been around. They've been on my bed. They've been all over the place. So anyhow, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Everything will be linked below so you can go check them out yourselves. And remember this guy. He's going to show up somewhere as a giveaway. I don't know when or where or how, but he'll be given away somewhere. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.